Gift basket ideas that are a fantastic savings, all from Dollar Tree. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank CharBroil for sponsoring today's video. Now, throughout the year, I always pick up different kind of containers that I can use for gift baskets at Dollar Tree. I also have this filler and some tissue paper, and then, of course, this cellophane wrapping paper that you can pick up also at Dollar Tree. This first one is kind of an adults-only gift basket idea. You've got these wine buckets that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. They're kind of in that section where all the party supplies and things are. I'm going to go ahead and just fill mine up with some white tissue paper right now. You could use newspaper for this if you wanted to. Go ahead and position your bottle of choice in your ice bucket there, and be sure and kind of secure it down with some additional tissue paper. You can also use newspaper, like I said. It's totally up to you. For our filler, I'm going to go ahead and use this red filler, perfect for the holidays, super festive. You can trim it up or you can keep it. I did go ahead and add a Santa plushie into this one, and then simply just tied some ribbon around the neck of the bottle along with that ornament, and you've got the perfect holiday gift. Now for this next gift basket idea, I'm actually going to be using this toolbox. I picked up this toolbox from Target's Dollar Spot. I have had this for a little while and thought that this could be perfect for the gifting idea that I have here. Now this little plastic tab, we're going to keep that on there, and we're going to add some of our filler. Now for our filler, again, I'm just using this bright red filler that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm not adding any tissue paper or anything because the products I'm using are pretty tall and pretty heavy. I've got some shampoo, I've got some bath tablets, I've got a charcoal mask here that I really like. I picked this up from Dollar Tree all the time. The next thing I added was this Brookstone manicure set. I saw these and grabbed a couple of these because I knew that they would be perfect for gift baskets. And this gift basket is actually going to go to my dad. These Snuggaroo socks are perfect. Now, if you remember that little tab, yep, I'm going to hang this flashlight from it. Now, if you wanted to certainly add some ribbon or something like that to it, by all means, go for it. I thought it was a clever way to reuse that. I just added in a brush, a facial mask. We've also got these beef jerky links that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well. And then the last item that I'm going to add into our gift basket is this pocket cologne that also did come from Dollar Tree. Combining this all together makes a really impactful gift idea for that special guy in your life, and you've spent almost nothing for it. Now for this next gift basket idea, we're going to take this blue container that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I've also got these very cool grilling towels because we're creating the ultimate griller's gift basket. Now, perhaps you are gifting that special someone with their very own grill and you want to get them some goodies to go along with it. Well, this is super fun. I thought this pink barbecue grill was fantastic, and to me, no barbecue is complete without baked beans. You've always got to have baked beans. Now for our container, go ahead and just add in some of that white tissue paper, and then also be sure and bring in some of that basket filler. I liked this brown neutral, thought it was going to be perfect. For our grilling towels, I just rolled those up and we added them in. We also added in the ketchup and the mustard because, of course, we've got to have these condiments to go along with that perfect barbecue. These are two different types of barbecue sauce, which I did pick up from Dollar Tree as well. They have a fantastic selection of all kinds of condiments and different things that you can add. The steak sauce, I'm also adding in the back there, those grilling bottles, and then, of course, our pink barbecue grill, because what barbecue is without a grill? We've also got those baked beans. Again, such a cute idea, a fun way to tease a gift that may be also under the tree, like a brand new barbecue. That brings me to our sponsor today, CharBroil. Now, for those of you that have been following me for a little while, you know that back in the summertime, I did a summer entertaining video where I featured the CharBroil Edge Grill. Now, this CharBroil Edge Grill for me has been a total new way of grilling. I've never been a griller before. I've never messed around with charcoal grills or gas grills or anything, and this CharBroil Edge Grill has been an absolute game changer. Now, first and foremost, this is not your little dinky countertop electric grill that you're using inside. This is an outdoor grill. This is a 100% electric outdoor grill. And also what's really cool about this and special about it to me is that you can push the temperature literally to the edge on this. Now, whether you are going low and slow and you're searing something or you're letting something kind of cook all day, or if you just need a quick sear, maybe you're doing something very easy like shrimp or something like that, and you just want to kind of get a good char on it, you can totally do that with this grill. Also, there's no compromise at all on the flavor. Literally any type of accoutrement or add-on that you're going to do with your grilling, you're going to be able to do with the Edge Grill. So if you want to do wood chips on it and you want to get a nice smoky flavor, if you want to use liquid smoke, if you want to use barbecue sauce, you can do all of that with the CharBroil Edge Grill. Also, what's really, really cool about this is that convenience factor, because this is 100% electric. You are literally plugging this in, you're starting it up, you're setting the temperature at whatever temperature you like, and when the grill reaches that temperature, it's gonna let you know. It sends off a little cute little chime to let you know that your grill is ready to go. And for me personally, especially like living in Atlanta where the winters aren't exceptionally crazy cold, although right now it is a little chilly, we've got a pretty moderate winter for the most part. You know, we've got a couple months where it's just too crazy. But I can grill outside right now with this grill because that temperature stays consistent with it. And also it's as easy, if not easier, than setting your oven temperature, because it is literally just turning the dial, setting the temperature, and letting it warm up. That is all you've got to do. Also, what's really cool about this is that the grill auto cleans. Yes, there is an auto clean feature on this grill. So when you are done grilling, all you have to do is hit the auto clean button. The grill is going to clean itself, and it's also going to automatically shut off. So you don't even have to worry about it. You literally are like plug in, cook, play, leave, done. That is the greatest thing in the world about this grill. Also, this style, the design, it's, again, a substantial looking grill, but it's also very stylish. Like, my neighbors will see this grill and they come over and they're like, oh, you got a new gas grill? And I'm like, nope, it's electric. And they're like, what? And I'm like, yes, this is a 100% electric grill. I show them the extension cord, show them where I plug it in. They are blown away. There has never been something so easy, and I feel like I feel manly, if that makes any sense at all, because I'm out there grilling and everything, and it is so easy. I have done salmon on this. I always do chicken on this, corn on the cob, potatoes. One of my favorite things is this lemon pepper chicken recipe that I actually picked up from the charbroil.com website. They've got a whole selection of different recipes there, whether you're a meat lover, whether you're a vegetarian, literally everything is on that website as well. And CharBroil wants to save you a little bit of money, so if you use the description in the description box below, there is a link that will take you to the CharBroil website, and you'll be able to save 10% by using the code that is in the description box and on here on the screen. Now, let's get back to our gifting ideas video from Dollar Tree. Now, another great idea for a gift or a kind of a basket doesn't have to be an actual basket. Dollar Tree has these fantastic, and they roll really easily, fillable ornaments. And if you've got a fan of maybe M&Ms or Reese's Pieces, go ahead and fill up your ornaments. Now, yes, this is heavy. It does not hang on the tree. However, it makes a very nice impact, and it would actually be a very cool add-on in any kind of gift basket that you are creating. Now, another great thing is this fillable ornament that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It kind of has this kind of a cone cylinder shape, I guess, to it. And I just simply tied a ribbon around the top, and then I'm filling it with cash. Cash gift cards, anything like that. Hang it on the tree, make the kids find it. Super, super fun way to kind of give them some cash, something outside of the standard kind of gift card or something. This is also a very cool gift basket idea. This is a collapsible crate. This did come from the Dollar Tree Plus section. I, once again, just added in my tissue paper and then my filler and just kind of spread that around. We're going to kind of quasi cover up some of that tissue paper, and then we're going to fill it up with the ultimate car wash accessories. We've got some wash and wax, we've got a sponge, we've got some cleaning towels, we've got these giant oversized air fresheners, which I thought were super, super cute. We've got some disinfecting towels, we've got some Armor All, and then of course add in some Christmas charm with a plushie of some kind and your favorite, or maybe their favorite candies. A great gift basket idea. I think this would be really, really fun if you were giving a teenager a brand new car for Christmas. Put the key inside of this, maybe tie it around the plushie's neck, and you've got the ultimate car wash gift set. Now, this next gift basket idea, again, is not really a basket. You can find this cocoa at Dollar Tree and some really fun Christmas mugs. And then, of course, you've got some marshmallows. Now, for this container, you can literally just stack these. Take your container, a Christmas container of some kind, which also came from Dollar Tree. Take these great Christmas-shaped marshmallows. They're candy cane shaped. They're Christmas tree shaped. Fill them up inside of your container. If you wanted to add them into the mug inside of a separate plastic bag or something, you certainly could. Dollar Tree makes all kinds of different treat-sized bags. Now, imagine this all stacked up on top of each other like this, but then you take some cellophane wrapping paper, I should say, tie a big bow at the top, and you've got a very cool Cocoa Lovers gift basket. Now, another cool gift idea could be for like a teacher or maybe for a neighbor. Dollar Tree has these really cool cutting boards. They have some great tools. They also have these great oven mitts that are square. What I really like about these is that this is kind of a blank canvas. If you have a Cricut, you can iron on. There's a lot of different options. What I loved about it is the cutting board fits inside of there. Now, for your mix of choice, go ahead and just kind of shake it up a little bit, thin it out, and then add it right into the pocket with that great cutting board. Then you're simply going to add any of your tools in there. For mine, I chose this spatula. I also grabbed this smaller kind of measuring spoon set, and we're just going to kind of fan these out a little bit, and we're going to add these into our pouch here at the front. What I love about this is because that front is blank, you can really do anything you wanted on there. So if you have a Cricut, or if maybe you don't have a Cricut but you have an iron-on patch, you could do anything you wanted on the front of this, and it's a great way to customize a gift. Simply tie a ribbon around the top of your cutting board, and you've got a very cool gifting idea that you can give for a teacher or a neighbor. This next one is something that's kind of cool for the kids. Dollar Tree has some fantastic stockings, and this particular one caught my eye. I really loved this. Now, go ahead and take the tags out, and then you're going to take a coloring book. You're going to stuff it down inside of there and fan it out just a little bit. Now, for the kind of foot of that stocking, I did just kind of stuff some tissue paper in there. You could certainly put some plushies in there. You could have some stuffed animals in there. You could put candy in there. You can put all kinds of stuff in there. But then I found this 64 pack of crayons at Dollar Tree. This was $1.25, and then I added in this candy cane of hot tamales, one of my favorite candies, and then I added in this cute, adorable Santa plushie. I also grabbed some of these colored pencils, and together you've got a very cool gift set that you can give to a kid. This can be for a neighbor. This could be for a Santa toy drive. There's a lot of really fun ideas. Now, this next one, I think of this one as kind of that person that is in your life that loves to pamper themselves. Again, any kind of vessel, any kind of container that you can find, stuff it with some tissue paper, and then we are going to add in these fun items. Now, these Snuggaroo socks, I'm telling you, I love them so much. They are super comfortable. That hand lotion set, this cosmetic metallic peel off face mask sounded so fun. I have not used it yet. I love these eye masks as well. I've used these before. I actually keep mine in the freezer. And this battery operated electric nail kit, this bath bomb is a floating bath bomb, and it has a tea light candle in the middle of it. This was from Dollar Tree. Combining this all together makes a really cool gift basket. But this little makeup brush container, this is from Kylie Jenner. This is Kylie Jenner set, and I found them at Dollar Tree. What a great, fantastic gift idea. I love this so much. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed these gift basket ideas, all from Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. And also, of course, I want to thank today's sponsor, CharBroil. You are literally going to be able to take your grilling to the next level by using a CharBroil grill. Be sure and check them out in this link right here. And also, maybe you'll save a little money and give that special gift of grilling to somebody for the holidays. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.